morning students, myself Dr. Kanika Prasad Yadav, head the Department of English, Sri Vishwanath PG College, Kalan, Sultanpur. Today I would like to teach BA second year English literature. BA second year. Subject is, the name of the subject is English literature. Paper first. The title of the paper is English Prose. As you know that Dr. Jai Singh Yadav, who is my colleague, he was teaching you paper first as well as paper second. Today in the morning I conversed him, who told me that he has started paper second completely. In paper first, that is in English prose, he was on the topic Dream Children, written by Charles Lamb, who is called Prince among Essayists. Dream Children, a reverie. The name of the topic is Dream Children. Dream Children, a reverie. Dream Children, a reverie. As you know, Dream Children, a reverie. Lamb is called autobiographical essayist of English literature, who has written about his own life and activity which has happened in his life. Dream Children, a reverie. Reverie means imagination. This is an essay of Lamb which is in autobiographical style, related his child life. When he was a child, he has described about his life, how he passed his life. I tell you that Lamb belonged romantic age. He was the great essayist, and he is famous for writing autobiographical essay in English literature. He also served in East India Company as a clerk also. His sister Mary Lamb once stabbed her mother. That is why he promised never to marry, and he also kept his promise. He passed his life as a bachelor. His elder brother did not support family. That is why he survived. That is why it was great possibility for him to survive his family. He fulfilled his responsibility at last. As you know, dear students, as you know that in section A there would be 10 questions allotted 20 mark. Each question 1 mark. 20 question, 10 question, that is 20 mark. And you have to write answer of those specific question only in 50 words. If the answers are solid, to the point, you can write in 1 sentence, 2 sentences also. But to the point, if you have written, you will obtain the mark. Don't matter that 50 words. In this way, exam is a strategy and you have to go through strategy. This is important for you. Section A, section B also, and section C. In 3 sections, the paper would be divided into 3 sections. Long question may be asked on Lamb. If in last year there would be no question from this chapter, that is from Lamb, in this year one question may be in long related Lamb. Lamb as an essayist. This is very important to know about that specific writer before reading the essay or the creation of that specific writer. I tell you, Lamb as an essayist. Lamb as an essayist. Charles Lamb. Charles Lamb, a great essayist of Romantic age. Lamb is the great essayist of Romantic age. Lamb, Charles Lamb, as an essayist, as an essayist. As you know that Lamb is called the prince among essayists, or the prince of English essayist. Lamb's fame is only on writing the essay. His essays are the living essay of English literature. No essayist is compared to Lamb till now. As Shakespeare in the field of drama, so Lamb is in the field of essay. Lamb's essays are very pathetic, humoristic. There is the living picture of humor, autobiographical. So many qualities are. If you read the Lamb's essays, you will never be bored. Although the essay is the boring composition, is the boring literary composition, but you will never be bored when you start reading Lamb's essays. Become on Charles Lamb as an essayist. As I told you that Lamb's essays are autobiographical. Autobiographical. Lamb has written autobiographical essay. Lamb as an essayist is autobiographical essayist of English literature. We can say that Lamb's essays are autobiographical essay of English literature. Autobiographical or personal, both are same. In 2 number, this question may be raised, may be asked, what is autobiographical essay or what is personal essay? First of all, no autobiographical essay, dear students. Autobiographical mean the essay which is related to the personal career, to the personal life of the essayist, in which the author describes about himself, his career, his activity and other things. Autobiographical related the writer, the life of the writer, the work of the writer. The writer describes, that is, the writer describes about himself in such essays. Autobiographical essays are those essays in which the writer describes about his life, personal life and about himself. Such essays are called autobiographical essay or personal essay. Lamb is famous in English literature for writing autobiographical essay. The present essay, Dream Children, is a unique example, is a role model essay, is a role model example of autobiographical essay written by Charles Lamb. Dream Children, Lamb has described about his life in this essay written by Dream Children, and he has gone on the some natural quality of children: fearfulness, listening stories. How curious Lamb was in his childhood. If you read the essay Dream Children, you will find that Lamb was very curious from his childhood. In this way, as you know that someone had said that the something which is about to happen, it occurs in the starting. Something which is about to be happen, it occurs in the starting. होनहार बिरवानी के होत चिकने पात. Lamb proved in the starting that he would be great. He would prove himself that he would be great assist in future. In this way, although he suffered very much, all the conditions were negative. Like he proved the line of जयशंकर प्रसाद, वह पथ क्या पथिक कुशलता क्या जिस पथ पर विक्रय शूल न हो, नाविक की धैर्य परीक्षा क्या जब धाराएं प्रतिकूल न हो. इन दिस वे ही प्रूव्ड हिमसेल्फ good assist, great assist of English literature. Although the conditions, although the circumstances were negative, but he proved he did not get good time, proper time, positive time for reading, for his study. But he proved himself that he is great assist of English literature. Undoubtedly, he is great assist of English literature as autobiographical essay, assist as an autobiographical assist. In this way, autobiographical essay and personal essay both are same thing, both are same literary term. In the next year, that is in MA previous, you will read in MA final, dear students, you will read one paper, literary criticism, in which you will read autobiographical essay and personal essay also. But know what are they, what is autobiographical essay or personal essay. In this way, Charles Lamb as an essayist is famous for writing autobiographical essay in English literature. His essays Dream Children, Bachelor's Complaint Against the Married People, so many essays, Poor Relations, so many essays are autobiographical essay. Bachelor's Complaint Against the Married People, Lamb has exposed his life, Lamb has disclosed his life, that he didn't marry, and how miserable life is the bachelor. Bachelor possesses very miserable life. Although he is very genuine, he is very good, he is very virtuous, but none believes. Wherever he goes, he is tortured. In the society, to the relatives, wherever he goes, he is tortured. In this way, poor relations, the relatives who are poor, none respects them. When someone sees his poor relatives, he avoids. In this way, Lamb has described about the natural, about the practical life which he felt in his life. In this way, his essays are living essay of English literature. Autobiographical, first point. Second point, pathetic. Pathetic essay. Pathetic essayist. Autobiographical essayist. Charles Lamb as an essayist is autobiographical essayist. Second point, pathetic essayist. His essays are very pathetic. As Shelley has said, our sweetest songs are those that tell the saddest thought. Where his essays are the life story. His essays are the Lamb's essays are the life story of Lamb, which he felt when he was living. He has exposed, he has shared it to his reader. His essays are very pathetic. When you read, you feel pathos, you feel that Lamb seems to be very pathetic. His essays are very pathetic. There are pathos, there are a panorama of pathos in his essay. When he says that poor Lamb, so many sentences are applied In the essay, Bachelor's Complaint Against the Married People, he touches the heart. Everyone seems pytho. Everyone seems pythos. Everyone, if he is human, he will show mercy, sympathy to Lamb. He had shared his feeling, emotion, which happened in his life. His essays are pathetic essays of English literature. And as you know that real literature is that literature which touches the emotion, which touches the real ground of humanity. That literature is real literature. Pathetic essays. Next point, realism. Lamb's essays. Lamb is a realistic essayist. There is realism, or you can say Lamb as an essayist that he is a realist. Or Lamb was a realist. Lamb seems to be a realist in his essays. When you read his essay, you will find that it is reality. Poor relations. When you read the essay Poor Relations, you will find reality which is in the society. You will feel the reality of the society which is happening, which is occurring daily in the life of the man. None respects the poor relatives. In this way, Dream Children, author has also exposed the reality of the children which they face in his childhood. That essay means Dream Children, which is in your course, is a great child psychological essay. Lamb has exposed the child psychology also. Although this essay is autobiographical, but Lamb has also exposed the child's psychology in his essay Dream Children a Reverie. That is, the children dream in his childhood. When they are children, when they are child, they dream to be like their papa, like their mother, listening stories in this way. This essay is living essay. Next point, idealism. There is also idealism, idealist. Lamb was an idealist essayist. He has also exposed the idealism in his essays Dream Children or other essays. In this way, today I have discussed Lamb as an essayist. On the next day, I would like to teach you the essay, that is the text which is in your course Dream Children a Reverie. Okay, in the next video I shall meet you again. Thanks, dear student.